Think math.
There are three ways to let one number stand for a whole data set: the mean, the median, and the mode. One would seem to be enough. So why learn three? Because there were moments when one was not enough. Let us build such a moment. Look at the salaries at a small company. 9 staff earn somewhere around $2,000 a month, and the owner takes $50,000. The mean comes out near $7,000, even though 9 people out of 10 earn nowhere near it. The mean uses every value without exception, so one enormous value drags the whole thing along. Take the median of the same data. Line everyone up in order and look at the middle, and it is around 2,000. Whether the owner takes 50,000 or 500,000, that number does not budge. The median only looks at rank, never at size. Sturdy against extremes, but blind to how far apart the values are. But some data cannot be added at all. Favorite color or blood type. You cannot add red to blue and have it. For those, we take whichever value came up most often. That is the mode, the only representative value available when data can be neither added nor ordered. So the three are not rivals. When the values sit together tidily, the mean carries the most information. When one enormous value has crept in, the median is the honest one. For non-numeric data, only the mode will do. Which one to use is decided by the shape of the data and by what you want to know. So all three survive because each is good at something different. The mean uses everyone, the median withstands extremes, and the mode reaches data that is not numbers at all. Next time, a closer look at how the median stands for a whole set. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.